From personal electronics to home appliances, office furniture, and even medical devices, plastic products are everywhere. Optimizing the design and manufacture of these products can have a huge impact on their overall performance, quality, weight, cost, and time to market. The Plastic Injection Engineer role on the 3D Experience platform is an essential tool to validate and optimize injection molded plastic part and mold designs. Starting from SolidWorks, you can connect to the 3D Experience platform using an integrated workflow that enables you to easily save, manage, and share your design in a secure, cloud-based environment. With the Plastic Injection Engineer role, you can use a guided workflow to quickly set up and simulate the filling, packing, warpage, and mold cooling phases of the injection molding process. Product designers can assess the manufacturability and quality aspects, such as weld lines and air traps. When issues are identified, you can make a design change in SolidWorks and quickly return to the 3D Experience platform to rerun the simulation and evaluate the results. Furthermore, mold designers can evaluate and optimize the feed system and cooling circuit designs. You can also simulate advanced molding processes like two-shot overmolding. With Simulia's Plastic Injection Engineer role, you can take control of your plastic part and mold designs to eliminate mold rework, improve part quality, and decrease time to market.